Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which I will discuss your poem, that is God Save the Beetle. Okay, students, in this video lecture we are going to read and explain the poem that is God Save the Beetle. So let's start. Students, firstly, before reading the story, before reading the poem, I would like you to tell the name of the poet. So the name of the poet of this poem is Ruskin Bond. Okay, Ruskin Bond has composed this poem that is God Save the Beetle. So now we are going to read and explain this poem. So let's start. Lord, please give some sense of direction to this beetle who keeps blundering through the open window and falling into the goldfish ball. Twice I have kept him from drowning and returned him to the garden, but he keeps coming back, zooming and diving about the room until P-L-O-P. So this is your first stanza, okay, in which Ruskin Bond is describing that firstly Ruskin Bond is praying to the God and saying that please give some sense of direction to this beetle. So firstly, let me tell you the meaning of sense of direction. The meaning of sense of direction is idea of where to go. So the poet is wishing from the God that he is saying that please give some sense of direction to this beetle. Okay, he is saying that God, please give some idea to where to go, who keeps blundering through the open window. Keeps blundering through means keeps entering by mistake. Ruskin Bond is saying that this beetle is entering through the open window again and again by mistake, and he has no any idea where to go. So he is praying the Lord that please give some idea where to go, and falling into the goldfish ball, and this beetle is again and again falling into the goldfish ball. Twice I have kept him from drowning. So Ruskin Bond is saying that he has tried to keep him from drowning. He has saved him from drowning, उसने उसे डूबने से बचाया, and returned him to the garden. Okay, he saved, Ruskin Bond saved the beetle from drowning and he returned him to the garden. Okay, he had taken this beetle and to the garden. But he keeps coming back. But he was very worried to see that the beetle is just come back and zooming and diving about the room until P-L-O-P. Okay, and that beetle is coming again through the open window, and that beetle is zooming all around the room until he drawn into the water. जब तक वो वाटर में गिर नहीं गया तब तक वो उस रूम में रूमिंग कर रहा था, मीन्स वॉन्डरिंग कर रहा था. ओके, he is in the goldfish ball again, swimming round and looking very tired. In 5 minutes time I must go to bed, and if you don't get this beetle to look after himself, who will? Besides, it makes the goldfish nervous. So in the second stanza, Ruskin Bond is saying that he is in goldfish ball again. Okay, now Ruskin Bond is saying that beetle is in the goldfish ball again, and that beetle is swimming round and round. Okay, that beetle is swimming round and round in that goldfish ball, and doing so, this beetle is looking very tired. Okay, in 5 minutes time I must go to bed. Okay, poet is saying that. Okay, poet is saying that he must go to the bed in just 5 minutes, and if you don't get this beetle to look after himself, who will? Okay, poet is asking from the God that if you will not take care this beetle, okay, अगर आपने इसका केयर नहीं किया, who will care about this beetle? Besides, it makes the goldfish nervous. Okay, if the beetle remains in that goldfish ball, goldfish become very nervous to see that beetle. Okay, that goldfish become very tense and also worried to see that beetle. Okay, I hope you have understand this poem. Okay, now I am describing just in a few minutes what is this poem is all about. Okay, so this poem is composed by Ruskin Bond, and in beginning of the poem, Ruskin Bond is praying to the God and saying that please give the beetle some idea where to go. Okay, and this beetle is by mistake. Okay, by mistake it is just coming again and again through the open window. Okay, and I means Ruskin Bond has saved this beetle 2 times from drowning, and he kept this beetle into the garden, but he was very confused why this beetle is coming again and again through this window. And when the beetle came into the room, that beetle room all around the room. Okay, उसने पूरे जो है रूम का सर्कलिंग किया. Okay, and after that he fell into the goldfish ball. Now he is in the goldfish ball again. दोबारा वो उसमें है. And okay, and that beetle is swimming round and round, and that beetle is looking very tired. Okay, and now in 5 minutes the poet has to go to the bed. Okay, and he is saying that if I am not care this beetle, I will not care this beetle, you will not care this beetle, who will care about it? Okay, looking the beetle in that water, the goldfish became very nervous. So that is the poem. In the next video lecture, we will describe and explain the exercise of this poem. Till then, you will read this chapter at your home. Goodbye everyone.